Myself Preeti Divyani, and today in this video we are going to prove CAYLEY'S theorem from group theory. Statement is every finite group G is isomorphic to a permutation group. Okay, let's see the proof. Let G be a finite group. Let G be a finite group. Let A be any element of G, then every element X of G, the product AX is also element of G. Here we assume that G is a finite group and A be any element of G, and if we take a product of A with every element of X of G, the product A is also an element of G. Okay, let FA G to G, let FA be the mapping from group G to G, be any mapping given by FA X is equals to AX for all X belongs to G. Okay, now we are going to prove that FA is 1 1 and onto mapping so that it will become permutation group. The function FA is 1 1 if X and Y be two elements of G such that FAX is equals to FAY. This is equals to AX is equals to AY. By left cancellation law, X is equals to Y. Okay, by left cancellation law. Also, the mapping FA is onto, because if X be any element of G, then there exists an element A inverse X from G such that F of A inverse X is equals to A inverse X. This is A inverse X. This is E is equals to X. So therefore FA is 1 1 onto mapping. FA is 1 1 onto mapping, so FA is a permutation on G. So FA is permutation on G. Now let us consider that G dash be the set of all such 1 1 onto functions defined on G. That is, G dash is equals to F of A such that A belongs to G. So here we just consider G dash be the set of all such functions like FA. Okay, like FA. So G dash be the set of all such function which is 1 1 onto function defined on G. So here we take the function FA where A belongs to G. At first we shall show that G dash is a group. Okay, we just defined that f is a permutation on G. So we just take the set of all this function and we have to prove that G dash is a group with respect to product of functions. So one by one, first closure property, closure law. Let f of A, f of B be any two element of G dash. Here we take fa. So fa and fb be any two element of G dash. So we have to prove that by applying binary operation. By applying binary operation on this fb x, this is fa bx, this is a bx, this is ab x. Since a belongs to capital G, b belongs to capital G, this implies ab belongs to capital G because G is a group. We just already, so earlier we just considered that G is a finite group. So we know that if A belongs to G and B belongs to G, then their product is also belongs to G. This implies f of AB belongs to G dash. Okay? This satisfies closure property. It satisfies closure law. Associative law. Let क्या करेंगे? Let FA, FB, FC be elements of G dash. Then f of A, f of B, f of C. This will become FA, FBC. From right there, FAB, FB. Then this become f of AB. This will we write as f of AB x. Now f of A, this is become BC. This will become f of A B C. This is f of A. This is f of B. This is FC. It satisfies associative law. Okay. Now existence of identity. Existence of identity. Since A be an element, since E belongs to capital G, E is the identity of group G. Therefore, f of E belongs to G dash. If f of A is any element of G dash, let us suppose that FAE be any element of G dash, then f of A, f of E is equals to f of AE. This is equals to f of A. This is equals to f of E, f of A. For all FA belongs to G dash. So it satisfies existence of identity. Existence of inverse. Let FA be any element of G dash where A belongs to G. Now A belongs to G, this implies A inverse also belongs to capital G because we know that G is a group. So A is any element which is belonging to G. So its inverse is also belonging to G. Then we know that f of A inverse also belonging to G dash. Okay. We have FA inverse is equals to f of A inverse. This is FE. this is f of A inverse, this is f of A. This shows that each element of G dash possesses inverse. Thus, G dash is a group with respect to multiplication of functions. Permutation group. So we just showed that G dash is a permutation group. Now we are going to prove that there is any mapping phi between G to G dash, and we have to prove it. It is isomorphic. So to prove isomorphism between two groups like G and G dash, we have to prove that it is 1 1 on 2 and it preserves their composition. So now we shall show that G is isomorphic to G dash. G dash is a permutation group of G. Let phi be any mapping from G to G dash given by phi of A is equals to f of A for all A belongs to G. Phi is 1 1. First we have to prove that phi is 1 1. So let A and B be any elements of G such that phi of A is equals to phi of B. This means f of A is equals to f of B. This is equals to f of A s is equals to f of B s. This is equals to Ax is equals to Bx. By right cancellation law, A is equals to B. Therefore phi is 1 1. Now phi is on 2. Let fa be any element of G dash if fa belongs to G dash when small a belongs to G. Now phi mapping G to G dash be the mapping and A belongs to G. Therefore phi of A is equals to fa since phi is on 2. So there exists an element fa in G dash if and only if there exists an element A belongs to G, for which phi of A is equals to fa. So phi is on 2. And now the last step is we have to prove that phi preserves the composition. Phi preserves the compositions. Let A and B be any two elements of capital G. We have phi of AB is equals to f of AB. So we define the mapping like phi of A is equals to fa. From right there I have written phi of AB is equals to f of AB. So we have to write fa fb. Okay, earlier we proved that by the closure law. This will be written as phi of A and this is written by phi of Y. Therefore phi preserves the composition. So finally we proved that any finite group G is isomorphic to permutation group G dash. Okay, this is the symbol for isomorphism. So guys, this is the proof of Cayley's theorem. You may check out my Facebook page PG tutorial where I just take the screenshot PDF file for every proof, and if you want to ask me any doubt or clear your any doubts, Contact me on my Facebook page. Links are given in the description box, and many more theorems are given in the description box. You may check my description box for any important theorem of BSc and MSc Maths. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.